All right, hey, if you have a door that is hard, well, it's not even hard to close. It won't close. It won't latch. Okay. Normally, especially with these heavy doors, they'll get off track, off center, whatever you want to call it. And if you look in here, okay, that will not grab the inside of your closer. Okay, so I'm gonna do this live for you guys and show you. All you gotta do. Let's see if I can't position the camera so you can see. Bam. Okay, that's pretty good. Wow. Nope, it's not pretty good. It's pretty bad. It should work. Yep. Okay, so here we go. Bam. All right, so you need to remove this. Take those screws out. I've already done that. And I started doing it before I said I want to show you. And a razor knife would work well. I don't know what I did with my razor knife, but you're gonna need to notch this out a little bit. Probably about maybe a 1/4 inch down. Because I keep a knife on me, it's all good. Okay. Cut that off so that your closure will come down right to there, and then we're gonna take out this little wood off in here. Like I said, a razor knife works better. That's what I'm used to using, but we're gonna do what we do with this, with a knife, or a regular knife. So you just start taking that wood out right there. Doesn't matter how much. Well, it does matter how much you take. You don't want to take all of it, but you want to take about a 1/4 inch of that out. Okay, like so. Now, that wasn't supposed to happen. I closed the door and it locked. So, anyway, now we're going to put this back on there. Since I lost some screws, I guess we'll use some more screws. I always keep screws on my drill because I do this for a living and I know I always have some challenges. So this might not be absolutely right on, but we're going to test it first. Bam, just like it's supposed to work. It's doing it. Okay, you're going to line everything up. And put some new holes in it. And voila, you're done. So, hopefully that helps. And tune back into whatever name the channel is. I know you said you're going to have